Morning, afternoon, evening, from wherever you're watching. You're welcome back once again to the Mickey Maths Class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look simple. Today we are going to look at an amazing trick from the Mickey Trick Archives. If you are asked to multiply, square anything ending with 5, for example, 25 squared, 35 squared, 45 squared, 65 squared. What do? Within seconds, how do you figure out how to square numbers? It's very easy. Look at this first one. Within seconds, you do that. This is 2. What's the next number after 2? That's 3. 2 times 3, that's 6. Then add 25 to it. That's all. The next number after 3 is 4. 3 times 4 is 12. Add 25 to it. That's 35 squared is 1225. This is 4. After 4 is 5. 4 times 5 is 20. 2025, which is the year we are in. This is 6. 6 times 7, 42. 42, add 25 to it. So any number that ends with 5, this is what to do when you are squaring it. I hope you have learned a trick. Let me give you some take-home fun. I want to see the answers in the comment section. You can try this out. Let me know. You can say 75. Any number that ends with 5, you can do it with 85, 95. The square of it, 105 squared. This is our take-home fun. Do let me know the answers of this in the comment section. If there's any aspect of mathematics you want me to put you through, put it in the comment section. And if you're here to like this video, if you enjoy this cool trick, like the video, give us a thumbs up, share the video, tell your friends about Mickey Maths Class, a place where mathematics is solely demystified, complex things made easy. If you're here to subscribe, lastly, please hit the subscribe button. Till we meet again in the Mickey Trick segment. Keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. Shalom.